Breakfast is debatably the most important meal of the day. Many people do not know this, but your breakfast can set the tone for your appetite and dietary needs for the rest of the day. Studies showed that eating shortly after waking up helps boost your metabolism and decreases your appetite. It can also help you fight off fatigue and give you the energy you need for the rest of the day. But the most beautiful part is that eating certain kinds of foods in the morning can help you gradually lose weight if you need to. If you're like most people looking to lose weight, you may have tried your hand at a few weight loss regimens. There is a lot of nutritional advice and recipes out there that will help you achieve your goals. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. Most weight loss programs make all the promises but still leave you with little or no results to show for your efforts. This may not be their fault entirely. It is probably your own for not having the discipline to stick to the program. In any case, you can rely on these 9 healthy breakfast ideas to help you lose weight. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt has a long-standing reputation for promoting weight loss. With its creamy, tasty, and satisfying appeal, it can help you reduce calorie intake by about 100 calories a day. This is because yogurts contain high proteins and are also known to reduce the urge for eating. Again, you can combine yogurt with other foods or eat it as a better alternative to unhealthy snacks like cakes and sugary baked goods in the morning. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas are nutritious and mostly reserved for desserts. But they can also be the answer to your endless cravings. Bananas are high in dietary fiber. The fiber content of bananas can help slow down hunger, reduce food cravings, and control your weight. The unripe ones contain resistant starch, which helps reduce appetite. This is based on results from multiple studies, indicating that dietary fiber intake can facilitate weight loss. This is why bananas are a great choice. You can eat a banana alone, sliced on top of other meals, such as yogurt, or made into smoothies in the morning. Additionally, bananas are low in calories, yet they contain the sweet taste that'll help satiate your need for good-tasting cereal breakfasts. Number 3. Smoothies. Smoothies are wonderful choices when it comes to getting healthy breakfasts. If you can throw your creativity into making your smoothies, you have an endless list of low-carb, high-protein options to pick from, ranging from veggies to fruits and dairy products. Some food items like nuts, seeds, and high-fiber vegetables can leave you feeling fuller for longer. The ideas here are numerous, and you can experiment on as many as you like. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are rich sources of protein and other essential nutrients such as riboflavin and selenium. You may add them to your breakfast to create nutritious meals that reduce your cravings for food later in the day. Different studies revealed that eating eggs in the morning significantly reduces food intake by keeping you full and essentially boosting weight loss. Depending on what you like, you can boil, scramble, or use your egg as sauces for bread, yam, or whatever combination you might see fit to make a sumptuous breakfast. According to studies, 2 or 3 eggs in a serving will suffice. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is not only delicious and nutritious, it is also an excellent mechanism for weight loss, especially when you take it during breakfast. It contains 2 essential nutrients that promote weight loss: protein and fiber. As we already know, fiber is essential in boosting weight loss by keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Several studies revealed that oats contain a special kind of fiber called beta-glucan. It has an impact on vital body functions like the immune system and heart health. This special fiber helps balance sugar levels in the body by preventing spikes or crashes in blood sugar, which may drive up your need for food. So, if you're looking to lose weight, oatmeal is an excellent choice for your breakfast. Number 6. Nuts. This is another underexplored option, which many people are yet to realize. While nuts make great snacks for everyone, they are excellent sources of protein, high fiber, and heart-healthy fats. Nuts are perfect for breakfasts as they can complement other food to help you lose weight. However, most nuts contain calories. So, try to limit your intake to just an ounce before you build up unwanted calories. During breakfast, you can mix nuts with yogurts, cheese, and other food items. Number 7. Berries. Berries come in several varieties, such as raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They are all rich in nutrients, low in calories, and filled with essential antioxidants. In addition to its nutrient content, berries are rich in fiber, which decreases appetite and help you lose weight. You can eat berries alone or add them to whatever ingredients you are using for morning smoothies. Number 8. Grapefruits. Most weight loss dietitians recommend adding grapefruit to your meal. And you can mix them with your breakfast to get the essential nutrients you need to be active throughout the day. Grapefruits are also rich in fiber and water. If you eat grapefruit during breakfast consistently, you may see some weight loss results. Number 9. Coffee. Most of us already know how vital our morning coffee is, how it can jolt up your energy and motivation level. But you may not know that it's very effective for weight loss. Coffee contains caffeine, which can boost metabolism and burn fat. This will aid in weight loss. While coffee alone may not make a well-rounded breakfast, you can take it with your meal in the morning to get you started toward a great day. Wrapping up. While getting a healthy breakfast can get you off to a great start each day, you can also leverage it to create an amazing weight loss diet.